I see. So this Congress, who is expected to be at that Congress? So the Congress is actually happening on the 23rd of December 2017, and it's happening right here, not so far away from here in our studios. Yes. Accra, Newtown, near the Malata Market. Yeah. Who are you expecting to come, and what are you going to be doing? Drinking and boozing?
No, not really. Though we will drink, but what I'm expecting is everybody, including the president.
Really?
Yes.
The president, I don't think he drinks.
The president drinks.
I don't know.
He drinks.
Know? How do you know?
He drinks. You know, wherever they have meeting, they drink. And once you drink by default, you are a member.
Oh, is that so?
Yes.
So if you drink, you are a member by default?
Yes.
According to you?
According to me, once you drink, you are a member. Whether you drink alcohol or non-alcoholic drink, you are a member.
Really?
Yes. So one of our vision is to see our locally manufactured bitters here hit the shores of the Middle East.
I see.
Countries like Kuwait, Jordan.
How are you going to do that?
Yeah, man. Yeah. This is why we are saying that we do not only regulate the abuse of alcohol, but we also ensure the proper manufacturing of the bitters.
Okay. Okay. So we've actually run out of time. So I'm going to have you give me your final word on what exactly you think the usefulness you think of your association. And by the way, are you drunk? Why are you covering your eyes?
Oh, I'm not drunk. I'm not drunk, but I've taken some bitters. Happy man.
You took in some bitters before coming here?
Yeah, of course.
But you're not drunk?
I'm not drunk.
So why are you covering your eyes?
I'm covering my eyes because I have an eye problem with my left eye.
So, okay. Yeah. So give us your final words. What really has your association, it's been 2017, it's been a whole year.
Yeah.
What really has your association contributed to the well-being of the people of Ghana when 17 people have died?
That was in 2015.
Oh, 2015.
So this year, we recorded no major death from drink.
And you think that it's because of your advice?
It's because of our initiatives and advice. And this year, so far, I'm very happy. As we are getting towards the Xmas, we've not recorded any drink driving accident.
Okay.
So far. And it's an achievement because since I took over the seat of the presidency for Drunkards, we've not so far recorded any drink driving accident. I
see. And this is confirmed by the police? Because the police is the MTT.
The police can, yeah, they
give the information. Well, we'll find out from them whether
you can confirm from them.
Okay.
So far, they've not recorded drink driving.
Okay. So I want you to quickly give us a quick advice. Give your followers a quick advice as we go to Christmas.
We are expecting all our members who drink. By default, you are a member. Once you drink, you know, during our naming ceremonies, they use drink.